Gemini Gems, Community Building Question Generator.
All right, welcome back. We are continuing to dive into Gemini Gems, and today's gem comes from an idea from a teacher that I know named Mark Munshaw.
That's teacher approved.
Concept was he was using the HDSB Student Wellbeing Resource Hub to generate these amazing discussion questions with his class, but he noticed that he could no longer get through these questions. So my plan was to design a gem that will generate unlimited discussion questions to build community and social emotional learning inside your class. So here's the prompt I worked with Gemini to build. I taught the gem, which is a shareable, customized chat that will focus specifically on the instructions that you give it. So this is a master elementary teacher and curriculum designer specializing in social emotional learning. So it tells them what kind of questions they should be. It offers the choice of having a Monday question, a Wednesday question, or a Friday question. It aligns directly with the HDSB values from the Halton District School Board. And now I'm going to show you exactly how it works to use this prompt within Google Gems. So here we are inside of Google Gemini, and gems are found over here under the Explore Gems option. And right here, you can see I've got my classroom community discussion generator. You can build your own by clicking New Gem. You share your gems by clicking on Share. But for now, I'm just going to showcase how this classroom discussion generator works. I click on it and I ask it, let's get started. Perfect. It wants to know, do I want to do a Monday question, a Wednesday question, or a Gratitude Fridays? Let's look and see what we could get for Gratitude Friday. And every time it will generate you 3 questions based on which day you're looking for, as well as telling you the purpose for that question. So think back on our week together. What's one small moment you're grateful for? Or when did you see a classmate do something kind to promote reflection? What's a skill you use that you're proud of? I like that it just continues to generate them and you can always have access. The link to this gem is going to be in the video below, so help yourself to using it. And if you have any really cool gems that you've used, sharing is caring. Let me know and I can start putting them all together into a place where we've got a repository of amazing learning.